Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm just laying on the couch waiting for this massive typhoon that's supposed to hit us here in Japan in a few hours. So from what I've read so far, this typhoon is supposed to be the strongest typhoon that Japan ever have in 51 years. Yes, you heard it, 51 years. So they say it's supposed to be very bad. I just finished like getting all my important document ready. I just leave them right next to me if I have to run, just so I can just grab the bag and run with it. I get my wallet, everything that's like, you know, very important to me. I just put them in a bag so I can run with them if I have to. And right now I can tell you that it's not looking so good outside. It's not looking so good outside. So they say the typhoon is supposed to hit us like around 2 p.m. and right now it's 12 o'clock. So in 2 hours we're gonna have like a massive typhoon, and I'm not ready for it. Whew. And then the sad part is that I'm in the house by myself. My husband is not here with me. My husband have duty, so he has to stay in the hospital for 2 days. So I'm just gonna be in the house by myself for 2 days. So yeah, let's go look how outside is looking so far. So right now it's not like very extremely windy, but there is some wind outside, and you can tell that it's coming. Yeah, it's coming, it's on the way. So we'll just wait. As you guys can see, there's a lot of wind. Yep, it's raining super hard. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So I just want you guys to keep us in your pray for us, because this typhoon is not coming to play. So just pray for us so we can, you know, God can protect us. I'll keep you guys updated. So as I'm sitting here dealing with this typhoon, we just have an earthquake of 5.7 magnitude. 5.7. Like, how crazy is that? And they made of a typhoon. It is very windy outside. A lot of wind is coming down, and we just have an earthquake of 5.7. Oh my God. I just want to go back home. I cannot deal with this. This is so stressful. I'm dealing with a lot of stress right now, and one of the reasons is because one of the main reasons is because I'm here by myself. My husband is not here with me. It's just me in this house, and then dealing with this typhoon plus an earthquake on top of it. This is so stressful. I want to go back home. Right now it's 8 p.m. and there's a lot of wind outside, and it's very windy outside. Extremely windy at 8 p.m. Okay guys, so right now is the next day, the next morning after the typhoon. So I'm gonna head outside to see how is it looking outside. So let's go. I mean, it's not looking too bad. The last typhoon that we had was worse than that, because we had a lot of damage from the last typhoon we had last month. But this one, so far I haven't seen any major damage in our area. So far, so good.